Bless up and respect my people. You don't know this is Rush from Rushie's Kitchen. From Mr. Rush from Rushie's Kitchen, you don't know that means food, juice, everything you can think of, vlogging. And trust me, it's gonna be exciting. If you haven't already subscribed, just go ahead and click that subscribe button, share with your friends, like everything. So guess what? Here at Rushie's Kitchen, I'm not a personal chef, that is not my profession, but here what we're gonna do, we're gonna cook some good old Jamaican meal. You understand? Something from my granny days, something from my great-great-grandmother days, something just we bring back. And the passion from a long time. So here what? Over the next couple course of the couple days, couple weeks, just follow, subscribe, share. You understand what I said? Content's gonna be coming like crazy every week. You can look out for new content, right? So here what? If you're living in Jamaica, if you live overseas, it doesn't matter. You can follow, get the raw ingredients, do everything that I do. I'll be giving instruction, I'll be giving tutorials, and trust me, it's gonna be easy. So here what? It's gonna be fun with me. Just tune in, subscribe. That's all I can do. That's the least. Yeah, get to know me better. Just get to know persons around me better, because I'll be going in the street as well. It's not just only in the kitchen. I'll be going all over Jamaica, featuring different contents, everything. So every week, as I said, I can look out for something new. Yeah, so what prompted me to do a YouTube channel? So alright, basically, I'm a person like this. I grew up with my parents, I grew up with grandparents. So from early up, I know how to cook. You understand what I say? I know how to do my thing. Sundays, everything, I know how to do it. So, here what? I had that passion from earlier days to just cook for the whole family. I have 6 of us, I have the passion there. So, it's nothing new to me, and that's something I like doing. So, when my girlfriend said to me, hey, why not do a YouTube channel? Why not put something out there? It's a no-brainer. I had to do it because that's something that I like doing. So, hence why I'm coming to you guys now with brand new content, brand new stuff. And it's nothing new. We know how the Jamaican culinary scene is set up. It's vibrant, it's fun. It's full of stuff to cook every day of the week. So that's why I'm saying, we have it all here, but we have it all here. So it's all in the passion, it's all in the fun. And things gonna come at you at rapid. Every week, I say every week, we are gonna put out something. Whether it be a juice or that be, some food or something, you don't know. We're gonna just surprise you every week. So just follow, share, subscribe, like, comment. Just like that. You know what I mean?